I can't believe this actually worked. Every part of this video was created by Gemini, and I'm going to be teaching you exactly how that was done. Meet Jay. Jay is a faceless YouTuber, but recently he ran low on cash. Every AI tool he used asked him to purchase a token, and he didn't have the money to do so. So Jay began to become frustrated, and he decided maybe he should quit. Not because he wanted to quit, but because he had no choice. Fortunately for Jay, Gemini was just in the mood to start giving free AI video generations, and he was amused. So he decided to run home and go confirm on his computer. On getting home, he found out that Gemini was offering 10 free video generations per day, and it ran till 4th of August, 11:59 p.m. So he quickly generated a video to confirm whether it was working, and oh my god, it was working. So he decided 10 videos per day isn't enough. What was he gonna do? So he decided to create 5 Gemini accounts, which means 5 times 10, 50 videos per day. Oh my god, what a genius. Before we go forward with this video, quickly click the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Lastly, if this works for you, then comment it worked so I can know that this is still working. Okay? Thanks fam. In return, what I'm going to do is in the next 24 hours, I'm going to create a video for you showing 5 faceless YouTube niches that have low competition and high RPM. Believe me, you want to stay tuned on this.